So let's start cleaning this fish tank. I will show you how in few easy steps. I clean usually once a month. Before I start cleaning, I take few of them out so I'm not bothering them with my cleaning and scrubbing. So some of them can sit out for some time and I can do my job. So here I'm going to start with taking the filter out. Yeah, that's the filter. It was replaced last month. And I'm also going to take that small filter out to wash. So I'm gonna run the wash under the tap water, wash it. And if the filter is really clean, I take it out and I wash that as well. Here is the new filter. Look at the front and back. On the top it says front, so here I put it back and I put the blue thing back here and I unplugged it, so while cleaning I keep the filter off. Now I'm going to shake all the gravel, so whatever dirt is sitting at the bottom, it's gonna come up, and then I'm going to change or take out that water. Started to take the water out. I took almost 80% out and I'm scrubbing the glass and I'm very gentle. Here is the water softener. This is a bucket full of tap water. I am going to put the softener and pour the bucket right into the fish tank. Look at the direction if you are not sure. After pouring the water, I am going to turn the filter on and wait for few seconds. That's where you can see your filter is running back and the clean water is in there. And now I'm just making sure none of the fish or the babies are trapped when I pour the water. Sometimes the gravel or sometimes the plants can get over. So here are the fishes that I took it out in the beginning. They are gonna go back to their home. And here I am pouring the fish back into the tank. Okay, they are getting back, happy fishes. After I pour it, usually for few hours they just like to settle in the bottom. That's what they always do. They just like to get cozy up. And after few hours, that's my all clean tank. Look at that, awesome. So let me tell you this, I only got initially like 5 or 6 guppies so many years back. That's like 4-5 years back. And these are all the babies that are grown from those 4-5 fishes.